Hi guys, hope you are doing great. Today we are sharing 10 tips to start your digital marketing career. So let's begin. Digital marketing, online marketing, internet advertising, whatever you want to call it, marketing your company online is a serious deal nowadays. Digital marketing is as important as eating food for a living. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is like any other type of marketing. It's a simple way to connect with and influence your potential customers on the internet. If you're looking to break into the digital marketing industry, there's no better time than now. Here are top 10 tips for aspiring digital marketers who wish to kickstart their career in digital marketing. 1. Hunger to learn. Digital marketing industry requires passion and a desire to succeed. If you have these traits, no one can stop you to become successful in this industry. 2. Stay updated. If you want to stay at the top of the digital marketing industry, you need to follow major digital marketing sites and influential people on social media. Follow these websites to stay updated. SEO Search Engine Land, Search Engine Journal, Neil Patel. Social Media Examiner, Social Media Today. Content, HubSpot, Moz. PPC Hubbub, PPC Hero, Search Engine Land. 3. Build network. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Attend digital marketing conferences and meetups in your area to nurture relationships with other digital marketers and improve your skills. 4. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to show your skills and expertise by writing a blog on your interest topic. If you are writing good content for your audience, they will surely gonna love it and will start taking you seriously. 5. Personal projects. Learn to find a personal project for yourselves. Learn from your mistakes and don't just treat digital marketing leaders' opinions as verity. These websites are best in the industry for freelancer projects. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour. 6. Personal branding. Start building your personal branding from today. Building a personal brand is like building your own home. Know your USP, invest your time and money in personal branding. What can I do for personal branding? 1. Start making videos on YouTube. 2. Start a podcast. 3. Start your own blog. 7. Get nerdy. Basic knowledge of HTML for making WordPress website. This would help to make you stand out among the less technically minded digital marketing candidates. 8. Find a mentor or guru. Nothing is better than from a mentor or a guru who has been there before and can help you to learn from their mistakes. Having a mentor in life is really important if you want to succeed. 9. Build a LinkedIn profile. As we all know, LinkedIn is a professional community where you can learn a lot from experienced people and stay up to date. Having an up-to-date profile will also show employers you really know your stuff. 10. How analytics work. If you want to stand out from the crowd, you should learn and understand the metrics of social media and Google Analytics. Hope these tips helps you to build your digital marketing career in any way. Having any questions or query, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.